and welcome. So today, what we're gonna do is just to go back. We started off with fuel cost and fuel economy. So that one is calculating how much it costs to drive, how much fuel is needed, and what is the cost for that fuel, and also fuel economy, how much fuel is. I have the what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just wait a moment until maybe about 5 minutes to see if people are gonna be joining us today. This lesson for today. Uh, if you can just send me an email, not email, sorry, a message on live chat if you can. Okay, so I'll just wait a few minutes to kind of see what other people are doing right now. Okay. So I earlier I said that what we've done so far is we've done the fuel cost of fuel economy. That's in lesson one. Uh, Lesson two, we talked about cost of maintenance and repair. So in terms of cost of and labor cost, both GST and PST. Factors that will affect the insurance of your vehicle, one of which is the deductible. We talked about the make, model, and year of the car. We also talked about the drivers to see if they're qualified for discounts, and and then lastly is the where you are in the province. Another thing that is a factor is whether or not we're going to get um, the extended loss of. So that's what we talked about there. So now in terms of chapter lesson 4, we could only be um, purchasing that at the dealership, and because it's a new vehicle, we can put new additional stuff in the vehicle. If you want to upgrade the sound system, if you want leather seat, if you want um, automatic door entry, you name it. You can add it to your vehicle, but purchasing a new vehicle, we are to add the GST and PST. In an extension to that, when we talked about depreciation, we said that depreciation meaning the loss of value of vehicle. Now, the vehicle will lose its value because of the wear and tear and then the added kilometer that we're putting in. Okay, so that's lesson 4. Lesson 5, just to summarize lesson 5, we talked about used vehicle. And in terms of used vehicle, this one here, we have options. The used vehicle can be purchased from a dealership, where if you buy it from a dealership, then it's subject to GST and PST. If we buy the vehicle from a private seller, from another individual, then we are subject to PST, but the PST is going to the insurance company when you register the vehicle, and it's base greater. And then we talked about vehicle loans. So looking at the loan, how can we pay for workbook? So today what we're going to do is we can focus on unit review. So you could work on review. So you have this thing to work on, but as well, you also have a hand-in assignment number 3. Now, if you were in school last year and was not last year, last week, you would have received an assignment number 3. Now, if you weren't at school last week, send an electronic copy of this hand-in assignment number 3, so you can work on it at home. Do it on a separate sheet of paper. Just a reminder that when you are handing an assignment in, please write down your full name and the title. Okay. Well, the title would be the hand-in assignment number 3. In terms of submitting it, what you could do is you can take a photo. Okay, you can take a photo of the assignment and share it. This is a share button. So you can take that photo and share. This is called the share button. So you can share it, and you can email it to me at work at erufo@wsd1.org. Okay, that's our work email. So anyways, I will give you an opportunity to either work on this unit review and practice. And I am looking forward to seeing your work. And if you have any other questions, and if there's some questions on a booklet that you want us to go over together, if you want us to, if you want to see which questions you wanted to see for a full solution, please let me know, and I will be happy to work it out with you, and I'll videotape it so everybody could also benefit with your questions. But please submit your question to me. If you have any questions, let me know. Also open, and you could send me an email. Okay, so that's it for now, and I will be talking to you soon. Okay, have a good day.